Today I'm going to have to use some glue because of what keeps happening is these bars here, down here, which hold the battery section on, keep coming out and I land rather heavy, so I've got to glue that piece there, just so as I set myself there.
Everybody in the house, clap your hands now.
Alright, okay, what I've done here is I've taken the aerial wire, as you can see there, I've brought it down the leg, kept a couple of strands around there, brought it up this leg, wrapping it round as I went up to the tail. There's not enough there to catch in the gears, so you don't have to worry about that. I've taped it close to there and there, so there's less room to move, and I've wrapped it around the tail as I've gone down, so it keeps the aerial well away. Now where I've taped here, you should notice they're not actually taped to the runners, and the reason being for that is when you tape onto the runners, as you come in landing and maybe skid, or as you turn like that, the tape gets worn and breaks after a while and it starts looking messy, so it's just a way of keeping it tidy.